Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel, Aviation 2K2 here. Today I'm gonna review to you guys a new model. This is the limited edition United United States Army Boeing C-40 made by Gemini jet. I bought this aircraft because it was on sale the other day, and my cat is biting my backpack, my school backpack. Currently it's 2 a.m. here in Vietnam. You can see it's 2 a.m. here, and I am pretty tired because I cannot sleep. Yeah, this is the Boeing C-40 made by Gemini jet in 1:400 scale. You can notice this is the limited edition. I have looked at it already, and I would say it is very small, just like this. See, my cat is up here. He is crying for attention. And yeah, this is a very small model instead of the normal information panel. Now we have the state, a Lone Star Express. I think this is Texas. Yeah, pretty sure this is Texas, and I don't know what VR59 is, so forgive me about that. The Gemini jet slogan, as real as it gets, detail, made for collectors by collectors. Yeah, now enough saying. Let's crack this open. I would say I am very excited about this color. For some reason this color seems to be more grown up, I think. Don't judge me. And this is a C-40. I have ordered a, what is called, let me check real quick. I have ordered the I think it is what is it there? The P8 Poseidon, the modified Boeing 737. I think it is the Royal Army Force, possibly in UK. I have to say it is a very small. It length just about half of my pants, my normal pen. It's quite heavy. It's small but quite heavy. As you can see, it had the logo of the Texas, just like the panel. And you can see it before. I think this is the Texas state. Yeah, let the camera focus a little bit. That's right. VR59, the United States, printed on the fuselage, the American flags, RY, the number is 5831. Come on, focus. Yeah. Yes, they don't have many detail in this aircraft. That's why it's on sale. I don't know what to say more. Let's check for. Yeah, the wing doesn't comes out. the ailerons, the rudder. What was this mindset? Come on, don't focus on my finger. Focus on the aircraft. Yeah, I cannot read that. I'm sorry, man. I think. Oh, for balance. Maybe I can use this for the takeoff position, like this. I will put down a small piece of sponge just below here, and the aircraft will be in the takeoff position. For some reason, this aircraft is very small. I have to say, man. It is a very small aircraft. If you remember my 737 BCF and the Amazon Air Livery, the Prime Air, I will put it right the video right here, and you guys can check it. But let me get it real quick and we will do a comparison. Okay. It's right here. This is the Amazon Prime Air BCF. This is the Boeing 737-800, and I don't know what kind of. Is this the 200 or the 300 model? You notice that the aircraft is very small compared to the same family. A very small aircraft. I have to say I am very proud of this aircraft. It's something very unique, and it one more add to my US Air Force collection that have been arrived to Nobai International. This aircraft is very kind of special, although I'm living in Saigon, but for some reason I have more favorite for the Nobai International. Although this aircraft doesn't land in Nobai, but it is kind of rare to see to have this model. Now in my website, I will put it down below, the link down below, pandafoxtoyshop.com. I bought all of the aircraft model you see watch on my video. All of it I bought it from pandafoxtoyshop.com. I have never bought it on eBay or Easy Toys. So yeah, this is a very I don't know how to say it anymore. Oh my god, it has been 9 minutes already. I will end this video right here. I will give it this aircraft the 8 out of 10. So yeah, remember to like, share, and I don't need share. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, Aviation 2K2. Goodbye, comrade.